Assalamualaikum to Dr. Ismail. My name is Farah Irina and we are from class BA2735B, and today we will be presenting our strategic management group project entitled Nestle Company Review and Strategic Plan. Before we begin, let me introduce our team members. The first is Khairun Fizani, Wan Aisyah and Nur Shahira. Now I will be presenting chapter 1, which is the background of the company. Nestle was founded in 1866 by Henry Nestle in Switzerland. The company initially focused on producing infant food for babies who could not be breastfed. Due to the success of its first product, Nestle gradually expanded into various food and beverage categories. Today, Nestle is one of the world's largest food and beverage companies with well-known brands such as Milo, Maggi, Nescafe, and Kit Kat. These products are widely recognized and trusted by consumers around the world, including Malaysia. Moving on to the vision, mission, and organizational culture. Nestle's vision is to enhance the quality of life for everyone, today and for future generations. Its mission, good food, good life, reflect to the company's commitment to providing safe, nutritious, and high-quality food products. To support this mission, Nestle promote values such as respect, integrity, innovation, sustainability, and quality. This value help the company maintain customer trust while ensuring long-term business success. Finally, let's look at Nestle goals, logo, and board of directors. Nestle's main objective is to provide healthy and high-quality food while continuously improving its product through innovation. The company also focuses on customer satisfaction and sustainable business growth. The Nestle logo, which features a bird nest, symbolizes care, nutrition, and family values. Lastly, the board of directors is responsible for setting the company's strategic direction, making key business decisions, and ensuring good corporate governance. Their leadership helps Nestle remain competitive and achieve long-term success.
Now I will be explaining on SWOT Nestle. Starting with the strength, Nestle has strong global brand reputation throughout product that we know like Milo, Maggi, Nescafe, and also Kit Kat. The company also has wide product portfolio and extensive distribution network and continuously invest in innovation. Second, the weaknesses, Nestle also depend heavily on its global supply chain. It also offer premium price product and face environmental regarding packaging and manage complex global operation. Next, moving to the opportunities, the increasing number of health conscious consumers, the growth of e-commerce, demand for sustainable product, and expansion into emerging market provide significant growth and opportunity. Lastly, the threat include intense competitions, rising raw material costs, changing consumer preferences, and economic uncertainty. Now we'll be moving on to the internal factor evaluations, or we known as IFE metrics. Evaluate that Nestle internal strength and weakness. So Nestle obtained a total score of 2.94, indicating a strong internal position. Its major strengths are its global brand reputations, diverse product portfolio, and efficient distribution network. However, these companies still need to improve areas such as supply chain defense and environmental sustainability. Overall, Nestle has strong internal capabilities that support its long-term business growth. Further, external factor evaluation, or we known as EFE metrics, measure how well Nestle respond to the external opportunities and threats. Here, Nestle achieved a total score of 2.88, showing that the company is responding reasonably well to the changes in the external environment. The biggest opportunity are the increased demand for healthier product, growth of online shopping, and sustainable product. Meanwhile, the major threat for them include with strong competitions, increasing raw material costs, and changing consumer preferences. Overall, Nestle is able to respond effectively to external challenges while taking advantage of market opportunities. The competitive profile matrix, or we known as CPM, compares Nestle with its main competitors such as Fraser and Dash AD. Nestle recorded the highest score of 3.85, outperforming both his competitor. This is mainly because of its strong brand reputation, high product quality, continuous innovation, and efficient distribution network. Although competitors perform well in certain areas, Nestle continue to maintain its market leadership. Finally, I will summarize the Nestle achievement, problem, and also their conclusion. Among its major achievements, Nestle has maintained strong market leadership with trusted brand, achieved consistent financial growth, invest heavily in research and development, and receive recognition for its sustainable incentive. However, the company still faces several challenges such as rising raw material, increasing pressure for environmentally friendly practice, intense competitions, and rapidly changing consumer preferences. In conclusion, Nestle remains one of the strongest companies in the food and beverage industry. Based on SWOT, SWOT, IFE, EFE, and CPM analysis, the company has strong competitive position with favorable internal and external performance. By continuing to focus on innovation, digital transformations, and sustainability, Nestle is well position to achieve long-term business growth.
Next, I will explain the internal-external metric analysis for Nestle. The IE matrix evaluates Nestle's strategic position by using two important scores, which are the internal factor evaluation and the external factor evaluation. Based on the analysis, Nestle achieved an IFE score of 2.94 and NEFE score of 2.88. Based on this result, Nestle is positioned in Cell 2, which represents the grow and build strategy. This position indicates that Nestle has strong internal capabilities and is able to respond effectively to external opportunities in the market. Therefore, the recommended strategies for Nestle are market penetration, product development, and market development. Market penetration allows Nestle to increase sales of existing products in current markets, while product development focuses on introducing new and improved products to meet changing consumer needs. Meanwhile, in market development, helps Nestle expand its existing products into new geographical areas and customer segments.
Based on the metric analysis, three best strategies were selected for Nestle, which product development, and market penetration. Product development focus on creating healthy and sustainable products by utilizing Nestle's strong R&D capabilities. Market development allows Nestle to expand into new markets with growing demand. Meanwhile, market penetration helps strengthen existing markets through digital marketing, promotion, and e-commerce. Together, Nestle's sustainable growth and competitive advantage.
Next, I will explain the SWOT matrix analysis of Nestle, which evaluates the company's internal strengths and weaknesses, as well as external opportunities and threats. Starting with the strengths, Nestle has a strong global brand portfolio, including well-known products such as Milo, Maggi, Nescafe, and KitKat. These brands have built strong customer trust and loyalty worldwide. Besides that, Nestle has a wide product diversification across different food and beverage categories, which helps the company reduce dependency on a single product. The company also has strong financial performance and extensive global distribution network and continuous investment in research and development, allowing Nestle to maintain its competitive position. For the weaknesses, Nestle faces challenges such as high dependency on raw materials, including milk, cocoa, and coffee. Fluctuation in raw materials prices may increase production costs. The company also experiences high operational costs due to its large global operations. In addition, Nestle premium pricing strategy may not be suitable for price-sensitive consumers, and environmental concerns related to packaging waste may affect its sustainability image. Moving to the opportunities, Nestle can benefit from the increasing number of health-conscious consumers who are looking for healthier and more nutritious products. The company also has opportunities to expand into emerging markets and strengthen online sales through growing e-commerce platforms. Furthermore, increasing demand for sustainable products and plant-based foods creates new opportunities for product innovation. Lastly, for the threats, Nestle operates in a highly competitive industry where strong competition may affect its market position. The company also faces rising raw material costs, changing consumer preferences, and economic uncertainty that may influence consumer purchasing behavior. Overall, the SWOT analysis shows that Nestle has strong internal capabilities and significant growth opportunities. However, the company needs to continuously improve its weaknesses and manage external threats to maintain its long-term competitive advantage.
The QSPM metric was used to identify which strategy is the most attractive for Nestle. The results show that product development has the highest total attractiveness score, which is 6.94. Market development comes second with 5.90. Followed by market penetration with 5.71. Therefore, product development should be the main strategy. Strategy 1 is product development. Nestle can implement this by creating healthy and innovative products, such as reducing sugar and introducing plant-based products. This requires cooperation between R&D, production, and marketing to meet consumer needs. Strategy 2 is market development. Nestle can expand into new markets such as Asia, Africa, and Latin America by adapting product to local preference and using digital marketing to reach more customers. Strategy 3 is market penetration. Nestle can increase sales in existing market through stronger promotion, digital marketing, loyalty program, and better understanding of customer behavior.
Next, I will present the revised IFE. The revised IFE metric show an overall weight score of 3.42, indicating that Nestle internal performance has improved after implementing the proposed strategies. This improvement is mainly driven by stronger product innovation, sustainability initiative, and improved operational efficiency. Overall, the revised IFE demonstrates that Nestle has strengthened its internal capabilities and is better positioned for sustainable long-term growth.
Next, I will explain the revised competitive profile metric (CPM) for Nestle. The revised CPM is used to evaluate whether Nestle is able to maintain its competitive position after implementing the recommended strategies. The analysis compares Nestle with its main competitors by focusing on important factors such as brand strength, innovation capability, distribution network, product quality, and price competitiveness. Based on the revised Nestle continues to achieve the strongest competitive position among its competitors. This is mainly supported by its strong global brand reputation, continuous innovation, and extensive distribution network, which allow the company to maintain customer trust and market presence. However, Nestle still faces a weakness in terms of price competitiveness due to its premium pricing strategy. This may create challenges when competing in price-sensitive markets. Therefore, Nestle needs to balance product quality with affordability to attract a wider range of consumers. Overall, the revised CPM confirms that Nestle maintains its leadership position in the food and beverage industry. Its strong brand, innovation, and strategy improvements allow the company to sustain a competitive advantage in the market.
Nestle has successfully applied product development through healthy food and beverage products. The company has reduced sugar and sodium in several products, expand its plant-based portfolio, and strengthened its nutrition and health science business. These efforts help Nestle meet consumer demand for healthy lifestyle while maintaining consumer trust. Strategic management is important because it helps Nestle understand its business environment and make better decisions. It supports innovation, growth, and adaptation to market change. Overall, effective strategic management helps Nestle maintain its competitive advantage and achieve long-term success.